Oh. Oh.
Morning. Hello, thanks for joining us. So, in this video, I'm going to be taking you on a little run during a recent snowstorm, where I'll briefly be touching upon some upcoming plans. We're then going to head over to the track for a time trial. And finally, if you've just clicked on this video to see if I can actually run quicker than Kipchoge, I'm going to save you some time. The 400 metre Kipchoge effort is at 13 minutes and 43 seconds, and I'll check the data later just to see if that's where you've gone, but it would be nice if you could stick around. Only committed runners are going to get out in this today. Wanted to test the grip actually on my trail trainers. Not really had any do well in mud and dirt, so I've not really had any snow yet, but seem alright, good underfoot. In a proper storm because I come down this path quite a lot on my run. Wind still howling. Morning. Keeping warm on the dung heap. Morning, guys. Beautiful. Not a soul in sight. Really don't want to be getting caught in these puddles in the cold. Sheep taking refuge under the bush. I love this, absolutely love it. So, just getting a few requests on my video to put the data in kilometres and K splits. What an absolute ball ache that was, trying to change my Garmin over, but I've found a way now to record my kilometre splits. I've got two running apps which I've used for a while, so I've changed one of them into kilometres so I can access them splits easier. I'm going to keep my Garmin in miles. I've always ran in miles, always track my pace in miles, not changing to kilometres. I'll put the splits there for the 5Ks because it's more data, more of a breakdown. Morning. Snow's still coming down. Phone box there. So 2025 goals for the new year. Going into an half marathon block now, so we've been increasing the mileage. I've already put in a couple of weeks over Christmas going into the new year, up that mileage, set a bit of a base. I'm going to be adding a little bit of structure now, so as we go into the second week of January, the structure's coming in. We have structure with the long runs and the interval sessions returning and the speed work, and we're going to get that sub 130
half marathon boxed off. I'm thinking Wilmslow half marathon in March. I'll be doing more park runs as well. So much easier to record, nice and social, and have a few more ideas as well, which I think will make some interesting videos. So if you want to connect on Strava, my link is actually in the bio on the YouTube.
Okay, so we are now heading over to the running track in Springfield Park, which is in Castleton, Rochdale. Quick disclaimer, Tal wasn't feeling 100% beforehand, so I'd suggested postponing the time trial and maybe do an easier run locally. She, however, was keen to give it a go, having missed park run this weekend.
So, no park run this week. Activities have come back, so we're not going to be able to do park run for a while, but Tal is eager to progress with the running, and following the last couple of park runs and seeing the effort that she's able to maintain, we've decided to come down to the track today. She wants to do a track workout, so we're going to put down them times. We're going to do a bit of a time trial. We're going to see what the time is over 400 metres, 800 metres and a mile, with gaps in between. So we're just going to basically set the benchmark. We're going to start off with 800 metre warm-up. So the track is pretty frozen, and it probably will be slippy in parts as well, so we're going to crack on with our warm-up, but there is going to be quite a lot of the track we're going to have to avoid. So bits of the track's defrosted, which is alright, so obviously stick to this inside lane when we're doing the faster bit in a minute.
Yeah.
So we're just going to take it easy. Like I said, we're going to do 800 metre warm-up followed by 200 metre stride effort just to loosen the legs, have a little breather, and then we're going to go into the 400 metre all out, and basically, I know, we'll put a benchmark down for the 400 metre, see where you're at, and then work up to the 800 metres followed by the 1 mile all out. But to be honest, this isn't the perfect conditions. It is slippery, I know it's okay, but there is ice, and when we're going at full pace, we'll have to see how it goes. Yeah, icy underfoot really, so this is going to be putting down our times, but our times on ice, because yeah, this really isn't, yeah, really can't 100% go for it here. Now we have a rest after we've done the 200 metre stride, okay. Then we do your 400, your 800 and your 1 mile all out. So we're just on the 200 metre strides, just to open up the legs, get them going. Okay, and stop. So we're coming up now, and we're going to do our first 400 metre rep, which is going to be led by Tal. So we're going to see what your 400 metre is here. So let's get ready to go. It is icy, so you know, hopefully that might reflect a little bit in the times, but we'll see. 2, 1, go. Okay, so we're doing the 400 metre rep now. Going round what you can hold for 400 metres. Let's see. Let's keep it going. Nice and consistent. Remember, you're taking the pace. Coming up to 200 metres, so nearly halfway done. It's what we can hold. I told you, go on the bit where you're not on the ice. It's going to help your time. Right. You're running on the ice.
I'm trying not to.
Yeah, I know. I know you are. Right, here we go. Got a little bit where we've got no ice. Okay. So if you want to just put it in for that last bit, we'll see where we're at. Seems to have better grip on the snow. Okay, just to the bin now. Just to the bin. Keep going. Just to the bin. Then we get a breather. Just to the bin. And that's 400 metres done. Okay. So I have that at 1:39. Obviously we're on ice, so I couldn't really dig in. So we've got a bit of a breather now, 3 minutes, and then we're going to do your 800 metre time. Okay, so we're about to start our 800 metre. Go! So come on the inside the best you can. I told you we're not sprinting, we're pacing it, I know. It's at a pace we can maintain quite comfortably for half a mile. So coming up to the 200 metre checkpoint. Okay, same again. Come on the inside, a little bit better. Are you all right? Don't feel like you're able to put in anything here. Are you sure? You can't put it in. But we came out and we tried. Keep going. We've gone. Are you actually tired here, or are you in pain? What's going on? Because we've dropped right off. We can abandon it. Right, okay. We'll leave it then. Don't worry. Right, I'll do my 400 and then we'll leave it at that for today.
Game over.
Okay, as we've abandoned that first attempt, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try an all-out 400 on ice. Bearing in mind I've done my long run this morning, so not ideal conditions, but I'm going to give it a go. I think I've done 109. I think 109 is my 400 metre, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to do that because I'll be slipping and sliding, but we'll see what I can do. So,
okay.
Get to the line.
3, 2.
No, wait.
Okay.
Yeah,
3.
Start again.
Start again.
Yeah, start counting.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh. 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 So as you can see, he's going very fast and he's going all out. I don't know how to zoom in, otherwise I would, but I think you can see like is the light one over there making a place up to 200 metres. He's getting there. He's pretty much almost there at 200 metres. He's just hit the 200 metre mark, which means he's coming fast to this one. As you can see, the little dot over there, like the lime green one, Now he's making a finish soon, as you can see. It's going a bit darker. But yeah, you can still see he's like there. Here he comes now. He's coming. That was quite fast actually. He's going quite fast. I think he just tried, like, you know, blaming the ice, but I don't think it was the ice's fault. And there we go. Amazing. Right, should I end it?
104.
104.
Actually, my quickest 400 metres there.
Yeah.
Obviously, done that on ice, so I reckon I could probably do 100. Let me get my breath back.
Okay.
I reckon I can probably, in the right conditions, do under a minute for the 400 metres now.
Yeah. Feel like that's
slipping
achievable.
all over then.
Yeah, I know, I saw. Oh.
Okay, so a little bit of context for you. In 2019, Kipchoge broke the sub 2 hour barrier for the marathon distance, finishing in 1 hour 59 and 40 seconds. To achieve this, he had an average pace of 2:50 per kilometre. He completed each 5 kilometre split in 14 minutes and 14 seconds, and he averaged 1 minute and 8 seconds over 400 metres, 105.5 times in succession. And as you can see by my effort, I might have gone slightly quicker, but I wouldn't have been able to maintain that for 10 seconds longer, let alone 105.5 times. So, whilst you're trying to get your head around those numbers, I'm off for some fun in the snow. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've not already, please consider subscribing.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching.
It's like a movie, a kid going in a wonderland.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Those trees are perfectly like snow together.
Here she comes. Whoa! This is what it used to be like, everyone out sledging. I think last time it snowed, there was one of only a few people here, but everyone's here today. Let's get up there. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Go on, go! Yay!
See that bit of snow I put?
Yay! Whoop whoop! You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Let's go! See if it breaks. Careful!